Close on the heels of my Z9 unboxing, which if you haven't watched, I encourage you to, and I'll link it up here or here to go and give it a look. I also have a brand new Z mount lens in the way of the 100 to 400 mm f4.5 to 5.6 VR S lens, which is Nikon's newest Z mount telephoto lens, equivalent of their f mount 80 to 400 mm 4.5 to 5.6 VR, which is of course a very important focal length for hobbyist photographers, particularly into wildlife photography. So it's an extremely important lens, and it's the longest native Z mount lens that Nikon has today, after the 70 to 200 mm f2.8 previously. So let's go ahead and unbox this brand new lens and share my first impressions with you, and let's see how it goes. I have the 100 to 400 mounted on the Nikon Z9, and once again this lens has been provided to me by Book My Lens for unboxing, and is again immediately available on rent. So if you would like to hire it, please head to www.bookmylens.com and you can hire this combination today. Okay, so to get started, my very first impression of the 100 to 400 is really positive, I have to say, because it's a huge step up from the f mount 80 to 400 mm, which is the most comparable lens to this. Why? Because of the zoom ring. It is extremely smooth, very well damped. There is no stickiness to it, there is no unevenness to it, so it's absolutely fantastic for videos. Also, the twist range is quite short, and you can go from 100 to 400 mm in just 3/4 of a twist, which is very convenient. Of course, with this segment of lens, inevitably you have the front of the barrel sticking out, which cannot really be helped. So you still have to guard against dust and moisture being sucked in, and we'll have to see in the long term how vulnerable it is. But considering how well built it is, I think it should perform better than the 80 to 400 mm in this regard. Okay, the next thing is the focus ring. If there's something better in this lens than the zoom ring, it has to be the focus ring. It's just beautifully damped, very smooth, absolutely perfect for video. So it's fantastic to see Nikon paying so much attention to video requirements, because that's how mirrorless cameras are used. A lot of videos are made, even professional films are made using mirrorless cameras. So this is a very important attribute indeed. Next up, of course, what catches your attention is this electronic focus distance scale, which I absolutely love, and it's very bright, very sharp, looks really nice. There's a slew of function buttons all over the place. I mean, there are 4 function buttons, no fewer than 4 in the front, and then you have 2 more at the back, one of which is of course the display button to activate the focus distance scale. Then at the back you have a focus limiter, which is 3 meters to infinity. And then you have an autofocus manual focus switch. Of course, you can override the autofocus at any time by just grabbing the ring without having to go to manual focus. And lastly, the minimum focus distance of this lens seems to be 2.46 feet or 0.75 meters, which isn't bad at all, especially at 400 mm. Okay, lastly, the tripod collar is equally smooth. I really like the way it feels. Again, quite solid and nicely damped. The foot is removable, but the tripod collar itself is fixed to the barrel. That's not removable. And the filter size, by the way, is 77 mm, which is pretty good, nice and standard. So there you go. Those are my first impressions of the lens, which, just like the Z9, are again very positive, mainly due to build quality. I'm an absolute stickler for well-built equipment which can take a lot of abuse. And also because of the way the zoom and focus rings are damped. I cannot wait to put it through its paces and see how sharp it is and how quickly it autofocuses, how well it works with the camera. Oh, by the way, one thing I forgot to mention is that it has a 5-stop claimed VR, and the great part is that it works in conjunction with the Z9's 5-axis in-body stabilization to synchronize the 2 stabilization efforts to give you the sort of perfect stability. And of course, this is yet to be tested. This is just the specifications that I'm sharing with you. We'll have to see how well it actually works in the field. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks again to Book My Lens for lending me this lens to unbox. All the very best. Thank you very much. See you.